You're going to be going over our 132-piece RPT Multi-Bit Set, removing a rounded out 2.5mm hex fastener on an RC car, and we're going to be comparing it to a standard hex bit you could find at the store. So starting out with the standard bit in a 2.5mm size, it is completely rounding out this hex fastener. Now we're going to switch over to the RPT 2.5mm included in our 132-piece multi-bit set, put it on our ratcheting screwdriver, put it in that rounded out fastener, make sure we apply some down pressure, and we are getting the engagement we need. This tool provides up to 50% more torque on undamaged hex fasteners and up to 400% more torque on damaged hex fasteners compared to standard hex tools. Now that we have loosened this fastener up, you can replace it with a brand new one, or with rounding prevention technology. If you do not have a replacement available, you could actually reinstall this hex fastener, and to do this, we're going to be using our T-handle and utilizing that feature. So you can either use the ratcheting screwdriver or the T-handle, and there's attachments that are interchangeable for both of them. So we're going to tighten this rounded out hex fastener back down with the rounding prevention technology. We always recommend to replace the fastener if you can, but obviously if you're in the field and don't have a replacement available, rounding prevention technology will get you back up and going. In this multi-bit set, there is 92 RPT bits and 34 standard bits. They are complete replacements for your standard tools. And on this other side, there is an undamaged hex fastener that we're going to be using the RPT 2.5mm to prevent the damage from happening when loosening it up. When working on an RC car, ATV, a car, a truck, there's going to be a lot of different fasteners you're removing. So this 132-piece multi-bit set is perfect to keep around the shop, allowing you to remove the damaged fasteners you run into, as well as the brand new undamaged ones to prevent the damage from happening. It is covered by a lifetime warranty and available on our website and from local tool truck distributors.